Easy way to learn basic signs. I have several deaf friends and really need this to be able to talk with them. I have been trying to learn sign language for years and have taken many courses. This is the best of them all. Anne left this review based on the content in our first 1,000 plus essential signs course. Huge course. It's over 49 hours in length. Blast your vocabulary skills through the roof and more. Because we're going to teach you lots and lots of individual signs, hand shape, hand position, hand motion, all the details. Show you from the sides, right? And make sure you really get the signs. Then we're going to do testing. And we always do two-part testing to make sure you can sign, right? And also understand. So important. So many courses out there, they don't test you. And especially they don't test your recognition ability. We do. Okay. After the testing, we're going to do dialogues. Now, this course has so much stuff to lift you up and just boost your skills. When we're talking dialogues, we're talking about complete sentences, right? Questions and statements to make sure you can sign dialogues. So not only are you going to learn individual signs, you'll have review, you're also going to learn dialogues. Lots of stuff. This is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. All right, so if you want to jump in, you're looking for a relaxed environment which fits your schedule, because we all know that we're very, very busy. Wow, relaxed environment, no pressure, jump in, get signing like crazy and be tested, signing and understanding, make sure it's sticking in your brain. Here you go. Go to ablelingo.com, explore our stuff, no rush, take your time. This is very important. Make sure that our teaching style fits with your learning style. If you find an instructor, whether it's me or someone else out there that you really enjoy, wow, now that sign language journey is just going to be much more effective. Okay, so, Anne, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.